Hi, this is day 58 and the date is July 16, 2024. This is XAU Gold and there is no trades today also. So let me see my pre-session analysis and what happened during the session and why I didn't take any trade today, why my odds didn't play out today. This is daily structure. The daily is bullish actually, and I didn't take the complete swing structure. This is the daily swing high, which is weak, which is about to be taken. Expecting, and the daily order flow is now, the fractal order flow is also bullish. So I was expecting this price action to hold till the price takes out the daily week swing high. So swing is bullish, internal is bullish, and fractal is also bullish. So this is the last level of demand which the price formed. So I was expecting the price to mitigate this one and then take out the daily week swing high. So obviously the daily bias would be bullish with this as my drawn liquidity. So in 4 hour also the swing is bullish, internal is also bullish, internal is bullish, and the small internal is also bullish. So zoom in, it will be more clear to you. And also this is a daily supply. Thing is there is no significant supply from which the price can make a pullback. In the if I zoom, if I move to the left, there will be no significant supply within the daily supply from which the price can react and then start the pullback because swing is. So in fact, we are having a low resistance formed with the series of supply chains. That is in the left, there will be a low resistance series of supply chain. So series of supply chain and demand chain will be a low resistance buy sell liquidity and sell sell liquidity respectively. So I was definitely expecting this to drawn liquidity to be taken. So if I get a low time frame entry, I'll be not hesitating to take a longs today. So this was my game plan. This is my medium time frame. That is the 1 hour chart. You can see the swing is being bullish and the internal is also bullish. So just my drawn liquidity has been decided by the high time frame biases. So the swing is bullish, internal is bullish. So I'm having a clear drawn liquidity for today. So now my job is very simple to identify the areas of value from which I can enter longs to catch the move. Very simple. So I'm expecting the price to mitigate this area of demand before taking out the drawn liquidity, but the overall demand is being mitigated by few pips, so thus there could be a chance that the price never mitigates the POI. This is not the demand zone. This is the demand zone. This gray color box is the demand zone. Sorry, this sell to buy is the demand zone. So if I move my cursor here, you can see that it has been mitigated and the price has moved up. The price can come down, take the sell side liquidities and then move up, or it can just make a small push down, not even take the sell side liquidity and then go up. So there are two extreme conditions. So I was prepared for whatever the situation may be, but the first thing I want to see is I want to look for a liquidity rate before taking any trades because without any liquidity, price can't fuel itself to move in a particular direction. So that's my fourth point. We look to find longs when the price takes out the sell side liquidity, as the price can react off from the fair value gap created. So this could act as a sell side liquidity, and also there is a fair value gap. So once the price comes here, I'll be looking. I mean, I'll be jumping into the M15 to search for entries. But guess what? Price pushed up straight, took the down liquidity without giving me any chance. So the price took my drawn liquidity as expected, but I did not get any trading opportunities during this move. Now the only option that is left with me is to play the internal pullback, that is the phase D shorts, which are medium probability as the price is not reacting of any supply. So phase D shorts will be, ideal when there is supply, um, high time frame supply, and the price is reacting off the supply, making a fractal chalk and then trading. That will be the ideal condition, which makes it a very high probability phase D shorts. But now there is no supply from which high time frame supply from which the price is reacting, and we are going to trade against the fractal order flow, which makes it very low probability. But there was this shock actually, which happened in the H1. I think I didn't show it. Uh, Yeah, actually, yeah, you can see it here. Price made a chalk, so I was expecting this order flow to hold, but this order block to hold. But the thing here is, this is a new candle, and above this will be a ton of liquidity, and there is no lid here. Obviously, this high would be taken at ease because the only liquidity available for this uh, supply to hold will be above the supply itself. So price made a bearish chop as I looked to play the internal pullback, but price took the low with a single candle and there is no lead in both the M15 and H1. Thus I must wait for LC2A in M15 before taking any trades. So if there is an LC2A, that is the pullback inducement, then there is a chance that price can use that inducements to come down. If there is nothing, then the only liquidity will be above this high. As expected, the price took that high also and went up. I didn't get any entry models when the price was going up, so I didn't take any trades, and the session got over. So it was around 3 p.m. that the price took this, I mean, invalidated this supply. So off my desk with no trades, as simple as that. Okay, guys, you guys could use some other techniques, some other methods to when you have a clear draw on liquidity, you can use some other techniques in with which you can enter longs and catch this move of drawn liquidity. But according to my trading constitution, I was not able to catch this move because there is no setup as per my rules. But if you have, if you have framed a good setup which is working, and if you are able to catch this move, you can just, comment it in the comments section. Thank you guys. Bye.